from Dailylook. I'm starting off here with a pair of darker blue jeans. I don't remember the brand, but they're pretty cute. But I didn't end up getting them because I just had way too many jeans. And next we got a brown kind of camel colored shirt, which is super comfortable. But also I decided not to get that. And here are some kind of reddish, purplish pants. It's kind of hard to tell in the video what color they are, but they're more of a red. I didn't really like the way they looked, so that's a no too. And here we have another pair of jeans, a lighter blue pair, which I really kind of wanted to get, but I ended up saying no to those two. And here we got a striped gray and white shirt, which I actually really like, but I already have one that's a lot like it. So that one I said no to too. But this one, this like tan colored pullover shirt, oh, it's so cute. I love this one before I tried it on. So this one, of course, I'm gonna get. And then we got these pants, which I like them, but I decided not to get those either. Just because, I don't know, I already have a lot of dress pants, so I just said, no, I don't need those. But they are really nice pants. And then here we got a kind of navy blue shirt. I really like the sleeves. And it looks really nice. You'd probably want to tuck it in. Just like that. It's a really nice shirt. It's kind of torn, but I don't know. I decided not to get this one either, just because I wasn't sure if I'd actually wear it. But this one I really like. This more light sand color shirt. I ended up getting this one. I really like the fit and the sleeves, and just, it's so cute. I love everything about it. So, yep, got that one, of course. As you can see me showing off in it. So, yep. Then, off to the next one, we got just a plain black shirt. Which I have a lot of black shirts, so I just say no on this one too. It's just too plain. I kind of want stuff to liven up my wardrobe, not stuff to just kind of make it normal. Here's a jacket. It's like a green jacket. I'm not that much into it. It's not very flattering. So I said no on that one. And then next here, we'll have a kind of green and white jumper, which I did decide no on too, because I don't really like it. Alright, so I forgot the blue dress, which I really love, but I decided not to get it just because I have a lot of dresses already. So just to let you guys know, that was also a no. So I ended up keeping 2 shirts, which is fine. Alright, thanks for joining me today and watching me. Alright, good night. Bye.